Hi everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have a double Louis unboxing and then I have something from MaxMara and something from Balmain as well to share with you today. I'm super excited. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings. So if you're interested in any of these topics, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell not to miss any of my uploads, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at BonjourAika. And without any further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. I'm so excited. Number one is from MaxMara, as I said before. And I bought this beautiful t-shirt. I bought it quite a while ago, about 2 months ago, and I haven't used it just yet. It still has all the tags. I bought it on 24S website. It was on sale and the price was really good. I think it was 50% off, and actually my mom and my little sister, we all got the same matching t-shirts. It's super cool and I cannot wait to win with them a little bit. But here it is. I really love the style. It says MaxMara over here with the star, and at the back it has MaxMara as well. This is my very first MaxMara t-shirt. I was never really into MaxMara, but after buying my teddy coat I have realized that the quality is amazing and I wanted to try out this t-shirt. It's very soft material in white color. It's perfect for summer and hopefully I'll get a lot of use out of it. The next piece I also bought on sale, but this time it came from the outlet, and here it is. It's this beautiful Balmain jacket, jersey, I don't know how you guys call it in the US, because I know a lot of you come from there, but to me it's like a simple jacket, cotton jacket, and I think it's beautiful. It's with silver buttons, so I'll have to style it with something in silver, but I love that it's black and white. It has sort of padded shoulders. They're not that visible, but when you put it on and if you roll your sleeves up a little bit, you can really see how they start to define your shoulders, and you know, like the classic Balmain blazers, it has a very similar effect and I think it's really flattering, and I honestly love everything about this piece. This is what it looks like at the back. It is so beautiful, and this is actually not a print. If you think it's a print, it's not. It was stitched on. So I believe the actual jacket is in white color and then all of these black parts, they were stitched onto it. And I think it's beautiful. If you look at the details, they are just gorgeous. Here are the sleeves. This was the last piece. It was of course very expensive. Original price was crazy. I think it was around 2,000 euros, and then it was 50% off, and for some reason, I don't know why, they had extra 30% off winter stuff, and it lasted for a couple of days only, and I've decided to see everything that they had under the promotion, and this jacket was there and it was my size. It's French 38. I was like, come on, this is amazing, I have to get it before it's gone. And so I paid for it around 680 euros plus tax plus shipping, but still a lot less expensive than the original retail price. It's crazy. I mean, I saved so much money, and I think the outlet is an outlet of Net-a-Porter. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is, hence the name Outnet, like Net-a-Porter, but Outnet like an outlet. Yeah. So what do you guys think? It is beautiful. I think you can wear it with a t-shirt. Even this t-shirt would go really cool with it, and then with a jacket on top if it's a little bit still cooler outside, like in springtime, or you can just wear it alone without anything underneath. And now let's move on to LV. I haven't bought anything from LV in a very long time, and it was 8th of March and my husband took me there to buy me a little gift because it was the International Women's Day and he wanted to get something for me. And we actually picked up two things, one for him, one for me. This is an item for him, so let's take a look, but I'm pretty sure it's like a unisex piece, so I'll be able to use it as well whenever I want to. Ta-da! So it's a cap. It's very simple. Once again, nothing too crazy. We don't really like crazy stuff. So it's plain black denim. It's denim cap, and I fell in love with it when I saw it. It wasn't even my husband, it was me who fell in love with this cap because it's stunning, isn't it? I mean, it's very simple, but it still has all of this LV logo all around it. If you take a closer look, I will add some mod shots of this cap so you'll be able to see the LV, but it's not that visible. If you're far away, you won't know what brand it is, and that's what's cool about it. At the back, we have this vachette little closure, and you know I don't like vachette that much, and I told my husband, okay, you cannot wear this cap when it's raining or when it's too sunny. And he's like, what the hell? What's the point of having a cap if I cannot use it when it's raining or when it's sunny? You know, yes, it's gonna get damaged for sure. So I'll probably have to treat it. I think I have a spray, so I'll try to spray it before he starts using it, but it has this silver hardware over here. It's really cool. This cap is in size 60 and it comes in 3 different sizes, 58, 60 and 62. We were very lucky to find it because usually such things, they just sell out super fast, and it was 525, I think. And now let's move on to my gift. I'm so excited. It is something very different from what I usually buy. As you can tell, it's a pair of shoes. Honestly, I don't know how you guys will react seeing this because it's something a little bit out of my comfort zone. I have never had anything like this and I never thought I will. And a lot of people might hate the shoes so much, but I don't care because I love them. My husband loved them and we both love them, and I'm super happy I got them. Here they are in the dust bags, and I love the new boxes they have, so you can just fold it flat. But I mean, what are you supposed to do with this part? You know, it just doesn't make sense. This part folds and the other one doesn't. But I think it's still cool. Or does it or does it not? I think it does as well. Anyway. Here's the shoes. Yes, they are so cool. Let me take both out and then I'll show both of them to you guys. They are very popular right now, super trendy. Chanel has very similar shoes. I didn't know LV did the same as well. Are you ready? Ta-da! Here they are, and yes, they might look a little bit fugly. They might look a little bit ridiculous, but I honestly don't care because I love them. I love them so much. I want to start wearing them like right now. I don't even know how to call them. Sandals. Let's call them sandals. You know, this is the type of sandals that little boys wear to kindergartens with their tiny little socks. And here we are, 25-year-old grown-ass lady is about to start wearing them as well. How crazy. I mean, fashion can be so ridiculous sometimes, but I'm all about it. Here's the sandals. I have no idea what the name is. I have no idea when they launched them. I have never seen them on the website. We came to store, we saw them, and it was something new and something different. Chanel has the same ones, but seriously, they are so ridiculously overpriced. I think they are around 1,300, maybe even 1,400 Swiss francs. And if you want to buy it from a reseller, they're gonna be around 2K, I think, which is crazy in my opinion. I would never buy such expensive sandals, little boy sandals. And these ones were 790, still expensive. They're in black and white color. I love black and white shoes, super cool. They have this Louis Vuitton little flowers over here, little thingy in canvas at the back, and there you go. It's very comfy and you can adjust them very easily however you like. They're super easy to wear, very lightweight. The reason I've decided to go for them is because during summer I prefer wearing shoes like this, something very open like sandals, no ballerinas because it's really too hot for ballerinas. And in summer we usually travel a lot, we usually walk a lot outside, and I wanted something like this to walk around town, or whenever we're traveling to explore different cities and places we go to. I think this is the perfect pair of shoes for that. Isn't it? They're gonna be so comfy, so easy to maintain as well, so easy to clean, to take care of. It has a little bit of white leather, but just a little bit, that nothing will happen to it. The rest is fabric, so it's gonna be pretty easy to wash if I need to, and I love them. They have this little V logo at the back over here, and then here as well. They are true to size, but usually I prefer going for 37.5, usually, you know, to feel more comfy and to have a little bit more room inside my shoes. I didn't have to in this case. They're in 37, so I would say they run a little bit larger. Maybe it's because of the style, but they are just a little bit larger in general compared to other shoes that I have and that were available in store. I also showed them to you in a shopping vlog a couple of weeks ago. I will link it up here if you want to watch it. It was a pretty difficult decision between these ones and another sandals that I really loved, but they didn't have my size and the color I wanted. So here we are. What do you guys think? Is this too ridiculous? But I mean, for walking every day, isn't it perfect? I think it is. I think it is. Why not? I never had these shoes growing up, but I do now, and I'm very pumped to start wearing them. And even with my new jacket in summer at nighttime, so fabulous, with like a pair of shorts, or my t-shirt with these sandals, how cool would they look together? Anyway, this is it for my today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!